Ryan here from Liquid Concepts. So I wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about the custom hydrographic film that we can now print for you. So if you have an image, you have something that you saw that looked cool that you'd like to have on, say, a Yeti cup or a four-wheeler or interior pieces on cars or anything like that, now you're able to have that. And so it makes it really great for your customers whenever they come in and they don't want something that's just off the shelf that they can already choose from the thousands of patterns. They want that one-off custom image, which now we can definitely provide you with. So what we've done here is we've got a custom image that we've printed, very sharp, detailed lines, looks really great. And so now we're going to take and dip it for you guys, let you take a look at it, see how everything works, and we'll go from there with it. So we'll take the tape off right here, and if you'll notice on this right here, you have a paper backing, and so you can see where you've got the paper at. The paper is the side that goes down on the water 100% every time. So this side is going to be the side that your activator is sprayed on. This side, which is actually going to be that there, is going to be the side that lays down on the water. So we'll throw this down on the water, let you guys take a look at it, and then we'll go from there with it. So So as you can tell, the film is very user-friendly, really easy to lay down. You can treat it just like a normal film. So 60 seconds on the water, and then you're ready to go with your activator. As far as activator goes, we prefer the Liquid Concepts activator, but you can choose any activator you like. You just may have to adjust the settings a little bit. So let me grab some gloves. We'll get a speed shape ready, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so 60 seconds on the water, and now we'll spray our activator. And make sure everything looks good, which it does. And so now we'll take and go straight down into the water with it. Just like any other normal film. Pull it right back out, and there you go. So you've got a nice, crisp, clean image all the way around, really vibrant colors and everything. So we'll take it to the wash, let it get everything rinsed off, and put a clear coat on it, and then we're ready to go. If you'd like to if you have any questions or you'd like any more information, certainly give us a call. Our phone number is 501-455-5500, or you can also email us at info@liquidconcepts.com. We do have samples available to send out to you, and so if you're interested in something like this, just give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll be more than happy to help.